Hi, I'm Skylar, and today I'm going to show you how to use SplashTop from an iPod Touch. SplashTop is a really cool piece of software that allows you to control a PC or Mac desktop from an iPod Touch or an iPad from pretty much anywhere you are, over the internet. So in order to do that, first we have to configure SplashTop correctly. And I'm going to go into my preferences on SplashTop by clicking on this little splash icon. And from preferences, I'm going to select others on the left-hand side, and I'm going to create a security code. It has to be alphanumeric and it has to be 8 characters long, so I'm just going to do a simple one that I can remember. So now that my security code is saved, I'm going to go over to my iPod Touch. I've already downloaded the SplashTop app from the App Store. It cost me, I think it was $1.99. Open that up. And the first thing I'll see is a list of computers that the iPod discovered automatically. It found this one really quickly because we're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So I'll tap on the name of that computer, and the first thing it asks me is enter security code. So I enter the security code I just created on the MacBook Pro. Tap OK, and it begins to connect. What we see is that the resolution on the MacBook Pro changes to allow us to see more of the screen on the iPod Touch. And immediately SplashTop starts to give us some hints about how to control it. And what you see here is that it works either in portrait or landscape mode. And now I'm able to see the place where I just created that security code on the Mac. If I flip my device to landscape, get a little bit more space. And now what I want to do is go into control mode, get the mouse right here, this is the pointer mode, tap that, and then I can actually interact with everything on my computer just by tapping. So over here is left click and over here is right click. So now I'm moving the cursor around, and what's pretty wild is it's almost one-to-one. They advertise that you can use SplashTop to play video games even if you wanted to, which, I don't know, I haven't tried it, but it might work really well. It's surprising how quickly everything reacts. There's very little lag. So what I can do is move my cursor just by sliding my finger like this, and then tap here in order to interact with objects on the screen. So if I wanted to, I could open files and folders. So you can imagine this would be pretty useful if you were away from home and wanted to upload a file to Dropbox or something like that so that you could access it from your iPod Touch. So that was SplashTop. I'm Skylar. Thanks for watching.